How to bring back spark in your relationship. So first tip ko is try to do something na hindi together. Very common to lalo na sa mga matatagal. Even hindi pa matagal, pero yung mga madaling mawalan ng spark sa relationship.
Totoo. Nagkakaumayan agad.
Ito effective yung mga bagay na you will try to do something na hindi together to miss each other. Halimbawa lang, kahit sa loob lang ng bahay, hindi naman necessarily maglalayo kayo. Yung tipong manood ka ng movie mag-isa, then you let your partner do also something on her own. In our case, what usually happens kasi is we try to do everything together. So when we try to do everything together, aminin natin, minsan parang nagsasawa tayo to the point na nag-aaway na lang tayo kasi na tayong magawa. So first tip ko is try to do something na hindi together. Para just to do something on your own. Simple thing lang na minsan hindi mo marirealize, oo nga no, diba? Kung ano yung gagawin nyo na hindi together, mamimiss nyo yung isa't isa. Ibe-break nyo lang yung parang continuity na lahat ng bagay ginagawa nyo together. Para at least may miss factor.